Go to cleanairtogether.ie and click on the Sign In button. Then enter your email address. This is the email address where you're receiving our communications, the air code of the measurement location, and the tube ID. The tube ID is the 7-digit number that is stuck to your tube. Then click on Login. Then enter the date and time you installed your tube. You can also indicate the distance between the tube and the road curb. So in order to assess the distance, just stand outside of the building and count the number of extended steps between the building and the road curb. You can enter any comment, for example, what's the floor level that the tube is installed, ground floor, first floor, higher up. And when you're done, you can click on the Close and Save Any Changes button. It's the green button at the top of the screen.